Welcome to All About Math series.
Hello, my name is Savannah, and today we'll be discussing exponents.
To begin our journey talking about exponents, we are going to be discussing multiplying and dividing. We might have a problem that looks like this: x times x to the second power. Whenever we have an x with no power, it's understood to have an invisible 1. Because we are multiplying, we get our first exponent of 1, our second exponent of 2, and multiplication indicates that we add our exponents. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, meaning we have x to the third power, or that x times x squared is equal to x to the third power. We might have a problem that looks like this: x squared, some parentheses, and x squared. Because we have parentheses, this means that we do the same operation as this dot. We multiply our two terms. We get our first exponent, the 2, our second exponent, which is also 2, and we add. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, meaning we have x to the fourth power, or that x squared times x squared is equal to x to the fourth power. We might have a problem that looks like this: x to the third plus x to the fourth. And see here that we are adding instead of multiplying. And notice that we have different exponents. Because we have different exponents and we are adding and not multiplying, we cannot combine these two terms. They are not like, and they do not follow the same rules as multiplication. X to the third power plus x to the fourth power is simply x to the third power plus x to the fourth power. Let's go ahead and turn our attention to division. We might have a problem that looks like this: x squared divided by x. So we get our numerator's exponent, the 2, our denominator's exponent, an invisible 1. And because we are dividing, this means that we subtract our numerator's exponent from our denominator's exponent. 2 minus 1 is equal to -1, stating that we have x to the first power, or that x squared divided by x is simply equal to x. We might also have a problem that looks like this: x squared divided by x to the fourth. And we once again follow the same steps. We get our numerator's exponent, the 2, our denominator's exponent, the 4. And because we are dividing, this means that we subtract our numerator's exponent from our denominator's exponent. 2 minus 4 is equal to -2, stating that we have x to the -2 power, or that x squared divided by x to the fourth is equal to x to the -2 power. We might have a problem that looks like this: x to the fifth minus x to the seventh. Notice here that we are not dividing, we are subtracting. And also notice that we have different exponents, a 5 and a 7. Because we are subtracting and not dividing, this does not follow the same rules as division. We cannot combine these two terms, they are not like. So x to the fifth minus x to the seventh is simply x to the fifth minus x to the seventh. I hope y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.
It's a wrap for today's episode of All About Math series. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next All About Math episode.